Good morning children. Welcome to CA session. Students, today we will start new chapter 7 HTML advanced features. Students, in previous class you have already studied about HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. The basics you have studied in previous class. So I will start with whatever is there in your textbook. So students, HTML was actually invented by Tim Berners-Lee. In the 90s, he invented, and it is actually a markup language. HTML is markup language. That means it is using markups. It is using tags. Elements enclosed in angular brackets are used to put data over the web pages. Now, how it can be done? See students, I hope you remember that you have to open the notepad first to write the HTML code. After writing HTML basic structure, you can mention many more tags in the body tag. Then after that you have to save it with some name, and then you have to write .html after the name of the file. And then you have to save it on your computer. After saving the document icon will be converted to the default web browser icon of your computer. So you have to double click to open that file. Now students, I will start with list in HTML. Students, there are two types of list in HTML, unnumbered list and numbered list. First of all, we will discuss about the first type of list, that is unnumbered. Unnumbered means without any number. Okay, so it is also known as unordered list. So here there will be list, but order will not be mentioned. So this type of list is also known as bulleted list. If you are not able to mention the number, if you are not able to give the order to the list, that means we can use bullets in it. There can be disk in front of the list, there can be circle, there can be square, etc. So those are bullets. It is marked by UL opening tag and UL closing tag. Okay, so UL means unordered list. This is opening tag and this is closing tag. Now how you have to write this inside body tag? Got it? This code you have to write inside the body tag. I hope you remember HTML basic structure. I will also share practical videos with you so that you can understand that what is unordered list. So here students, you can type UL opening tag first, then the first list item will be mentioned with li. This is li tag. Write first list item, close li tag. Then second li tag, write the next item, and then close li tag. This way we have mentioned 3 list items in unordered list. Then you have to close unordered list. Got it? So opening tag, closing tag, between that you have to write the list items. Now students, what is the output that we will be able to see in the web browser? This we will be able to see in the web browser. Okay? As it is unordered, we will be able to see the disk in front of all the list items by default. If we want, we can change this also. So now students, we will discuss about the type attribute of unordered list. Students, in unordered list, we have only one attribute, that is type. Now, how to write that type? And first of all, what is the use of the type? The type attribute is used to change the bullet style. By default, we have studied this. Okay. So, if we have to change the bullet style to square or to circle, how we have to write? Just check. First of all, unordered list. Here you have to write the type attribute, and then you have to write square in front of it. Then mention the list items. You can write as many list items as you want. Okay. Here I have used only 2 so that I can simply show you example. So I have taken 2 list items enclosed in li tags, and then this will be at the output in the screen of the web browser. Then you have to close UL tag. Now start UL tag. Okay, this is opening UL tag, and in opening tag only you have to write the type attribute. After that you have to write circle. If you want this type of circle, then you can write circle over here, then mention the list items, and then close UL tag. If you write type circle in place of bullets, you will be able to see circles. Then, if you want the default, don't use type attribute. And if you want to use attribute, then you can mention disk in it. Okay, you have to write D-I-S-C, disk in it. Okay, so how to write? UL opening tag, type attribute with space. Attributes we used to write with space. Then equal to and then disk for this type of bullets. Then you can mention list items and then you can close UL tag. So students, I hope you understood the use of unordered list. In our next video, we will study about ordered list. Thank you. Have a nice day.